Hi CHS, it's Tuesday, March 17th, 2015. I'm Michael.
And I'm Alex.
And these are the afternoon announcements.
Attention Ward of Difference members. We will be having a meeting this Wednesday morning at 7 a.m. in room 217 to prepare for your SMS presentation next week. Attendance is mandatory. Be on time.
Marketing students. A reminder to marketing students attending the DECA Red Wings Sports Marketing and NASCAR Detroit Economics Club events. Turn to the parent permission slip forms to Miss Moore by Tuesday this week. You may have your forms in Tuesday to hold your place, so please don't forget.
Senior scholarships. Seniors, many scholarships have upcoming deadlines. The Edna Norris Scholarship, Pine Knob Elementary Scholarship, and the Clarkson Area Community Joint Scholarship include 17 scholarships. All are due this Friday, March 20th.
Garda's volleyball meeting. Attention all JV and varsity volleyball players. There will be a informational meeting Wednesday at 3 p.m. in the cafeteria with Coach Pine. Please plan on attending.
Senior announcements delivery. Belfour will be here during lunches today for students who have ordered announcements. Please stop by and pick them up. Also, if you have not yet ordered a cap and gown, you can order them at that time as well. Thank you.
NHS meeting. There will be a NHS meeting on Thursday, March 19th in the PAC. NHS members, please be there at the start time of 6:45 a.m.
Gardening Club. Spring is finally here. Gardening Club will meet today after school in room 309, Mr. Cook's room. We will be rooting stems and leaf cuttings.
French Club meeting. Bonjour CHS. French Club is meeting Tuesday, March 17th at 3:30 in Mrs. Potter's room, A338. Bring your friends and some French food and games.
Mock trial congrats. Congratulations to the CHS Mock Trial A team, which qualified for the State Michigan mock trial finals at their tournament this past Saturday. The finals will be held on March 28th in Lansing. Congratulations to the entire team and good luck at the finals.
Congratulations DECA students. Congratulations to Sabrina Parks, Keegan Adams, and Joe DeFinis for medaling at the DECA State Marketing Competition this past weekend in Grand Rapids. Sabrina and Keegan will go on to compete in the Nationals in Orlando, Florida at the end of April. CHS DECA also won an All-Star Award for the membership increase this year. Great job to all CHS marketing students who participated.
That's all for CHS. Have a great day.
And have an excellent St. Patrick's Day.